Now you can see the task in a bit of automate backup process, the Extrusion Corp Industries and the sysadmin team has developed a new bash script named Extrusion Corp SH. While the script has been distributed to all necessary servers, it lacks executable permission of app server 2. So they have mentioned the app server 2. So we need to log in app server 2 Chrome. You can go to the SSH, log in the app server 2, username Steve, hostname staff02. I have already copied the password, pasted the password, enter. Now we need to grant executable permission to this file. Now we know about the file. You can see the file is in temp folder. So we need to go to the temp folder, list out. Now you can see here this Extrusion Corp SSH. This file is no readable or write or executable. Any permission did not give to this file. So we need to give the permission to this file. You can see here, this is the read permission, this is the write permission, and this is executable permission. We need to give the executable permission in this file. So this we can script on app server to additionally ensure that all users have the capability to execute it. Okay. Now we can give the permission to this file. So copy the file with the folder name, and we need to give the permission to them. We are in the user login, so we need to use the sudo, give the permission chmod, and we need to give the permission of write up and paste the folder and file name. I have not copied. Paste it. After paste the enter the file, we need to ask the password of Steve user. Give the password. Now list out the file. Can go to list -l -tmp. This is the folder name, directory name. Now you can see here it is no permission in this file. Now we are giving the permission of executing permission to this file. Now our file is executive permission. So anyone will be executed in this file. We are giving the permission. We are finishing the task. Check on the task. Confirm.